The garage smelled of oil and aged leather, a faint hum of tools filling the space. Jack, a 28-year-old mechanic, wiped grease from his hands, eyes fixed on the 1930 Auburn Speedster parked before him. Its paint was chipped, chrome dulled, engine silent for decades. Most would have given up immediately. A wealthy woman in her early 40s stepped out of a sleek black car, her heels clicking against the concrete. She surveyed the rusted Speedster with a critical eye. "Can you fix it?" she asked. Jack glanced at the intricate engine parts and bent chassis, nodding confidently. "I'll give it my best shot," he said calmly. While she waited, Jack examined the vintage vehicle meticulously. Every wire, every bolt, every spark plug was analyzed with care. The mechanics around him shook their heads. "You'll never get this running again," one muttered. Jack ignored them, focusing entirely on the work, fueled by a quiet determination and respect for the car's history. Hours passed as Jack disassembled the engine piece by piece. Rusted components were replaced, gears lubricated, the fuel system meticulously restored. Sweat dripped from his forehead, but he never faltered. Outside, the Millionaire woman watched silently, curiosity gradually replacing her skepticism. Her eyes reflected surprise at the patience and precision he applied. By late afternoon, Jack had reassembled the engine, carefully reconnecting each wire. He wiped his hands on a rag and inserted the key. The engine sputtered, coughed, and then roared to life. Chrome gleamed, the Auburn's classic lines shining under the garage lights. The woman gasped, her jaw dropping in astonishment at the flawless restoration. "Impressive," she said softly, walking closer. Jack smiled humbly. "It's all about respecting the machine," he replied. She circled the car, inspecting the details, the polished wooden dashboard, restored leather seats, flawless engine hum. "You've brought it back to life," she whispered. Jack shrugged modestly, brushing off the praise as if it were routine. The woman hesitated, then extended a hand with a folder. "I want to offer you something," she said. Jack took it cautiously, opening it to find a formal proposal. She wanted him to become the chief restorer for her personal collection of vintage automobiles, with full resources, workspace, and a salary he could never have imagined. Jack blinked in disbelief, his mind racing. Years of grinding work in small garages, scraping by on small repair jobs, had suddenly led to an opportunity that could redefine his life. The Auburn Speedster had been more than a car. It had been a test, a bridge to a future he hadn't dared to imagine. "Why me?" he asked finally. She smiled gently. "I see passion, skill, and respect for what you do. Most people would just want to charge a premium and finish quickly. You care, and it shows in every detail." Jack felt a warmth spread through his chest, a rare acknowledgement he had longed for. Over the next few weeks, Jack moved into her estate's garage, surrounded by luxury cars and rare classics. He worked tirelessly, restoring vehicles once thought impossible. The Millionaire woman often observed, offering insights but never interfering. Their professional relationship grew into mutual respect, a partnership built on trust and admiration for skill. The Auburn Speedster became a symbol of his dedication. Visitors, journalists, and other car enthusiasts marveled at the flawless restoration. Jack remained humble, focused on every detail, teaching apprentices the importance of patience, precision, and respect for history. He had become more than a mechanic. He was an artist, shaping machines into masterpieces. Months later, Jack reflected on that first day. The rusted Speedster had been more than metal, it had been a doorway. One simple restoration had opened doors to recognition, opportunity, and personal growth. Every engine rev, polished chrome, and restored interior reminded him that dedication and love for one's craft could turn even the impossible into reality. Jack's life had changed, but he remained grounded. He worked with the same care, same humility, same passion as before, but now with resources and respect to match. The Auburn Speedster, restored to perfection, symbolized more than a car. It represented the reward of skill, persistence, and unwavering dedication.